Southeastern Turkey, covered with heavy snowfall, was shaken by a destructive earthquake on Monday at around 4 a.m. local time, killing nearly 1,500 people. The epicenter was the Pazarcık district of southern Kahramanmaraş province, but there was widespread devastation in 10 nearby provinces. Initial reports by the country's Disaster and Emergency Management Authority AFAD cited the magnitude was 7.4, which was later revised to 7.7. News from the region is far from promising. The latest official figures put the death toll at 1,498, while 8,533 people were injured. As the search and rescue efforts continued, another strong tremor of the magnitude of 7.6 hit the Elbistan district of the city around noon, causing further destruction. As the Xinhua team, we departed Turkey's largest city, Istanbul, heading towards the disaster area by car.